And then the next event on the track will be the women's 800-meter final. Getting an update for the men's discus.
Yes, I'm taking a peek at it.
Leading at the moment, the defending champion, Ralford Mullings, 64.31 meters. In second, Frederick Dakers, 61.52 meters. For Dakers, a five-time national champion, finished second in this final last year. And third at the moment, Raquel Broderick, who was fifth in the final last year, 61.11 meters. In fourth place, Chad Wright, 60.55 meters. In fifth, Shamar Reed, 59.81 meters. In sixth place, Kai Chang, 58.86 meters. In seventh, Joseph Salmon, outstanding schoolboy from Jamaica College, 56.97 meters. In eighth place, Delano Lawrence, his best effort so far, 56.37 meters. And in ninth, Yakina Bowen, 56.26 meters. In 10th place, Tia Josh Mowat, 50.26 meters. Dejan Budai, 11th, 45.35 meters. That's the very latest in the men's discus. This is Raquel Broderick. Came in with a season's best of 62.87 meters. 64.15 meters at his very best. Fifth in the final here last year. When you look at what's happening here, Daniel, and elsewhere, you look at the world leads, 74.04 meters. If you go to a global championship and you heave anything over 70 meters, you will definitely get a medal. And most likely the gold. That's Frederick Dakers, veteran campaigner, five-time national champion.
Come in, man.
Shamar Reed has just moved up. Raquel Broderick, 62.87 meters, equaling his season's best effort in the men's discus.
This is Shamar Reed now throwing the Seminole. Yes, Bruce, I've learned quickly.
I don't know what was taking you so long.
Look at Chad Wright. He's up next for his final throw.
Chad Wright, Spencer, my understanding, is hoping to not just be able to spin a discus on his fingers, but also do powerlifting at the Commonwealth Games and the discus at the Commonwealth Games.
Quite so, Bruce. Wants to represent Jamaica in two sports at two events this summer.
I was going to say the spinning was quite impressive. Spun that one out of the ring. Final attempt. 60.55 meters, Chad Wright's best so far.
Came into the championships as the second best Jamaican this season at 67.92 meters, which actually is his personal best. Through that on the 12th of April. Third in the final here last year, Chad Wright. This is Frederick Dakers now. Ralford Mullings is the leader. Frederick Dakers.
Yes, no improvement for Chad Wright. 58.79 on his final throw.
Frederick Dakers line third.
Is there sufficient lighting for Dakers to throw?
Looks that way from here, Bruce. He wants a massive effort to overtake the leader.
Oh, a good throw.
Ralford Mullings.
Oh, does he step out? Okay, he gets the white flag. Good. That was a play on the interview I heard where Dakers was training in the dark up at
Yui. But they put a stop to that from what was story said, Bruce.
All right, so he had sufficient light then. 62.97.
That moves him up into second place. But
Not
Mullins,
passing the 64.31 of Mullins.
no. Mullins still with the win. And he's taking his final throw here. National champion.
So Ralford Mullins, back-to-back national champion. 65-32 to win last year. 64-31 to win this time around.
Fouls his final attempt, but still the champion.
The two-time national champion now, Ralford Mullins. This 24-year-old competitor. Frederick Discus took second with the 62.97 meters, which he threw on his final attempt.